OK，都坐低晒啦。好，呢個時候咧，我哋就歡迎咧係嚟自Contacure Zimmer 嗱，呢一個核心幸福椅嘅英文名叫 Contacure Zimmer。咁所以咧，我哋喺呢個 presentation 入邊就會叫佢做 Contacure，其實就係講緊嗰個幸福椅。咁我哋有請 Olympia。So Olympia, I've been telling our audience that you have been in medical appliances and apparatus for more than 15 years, and this is relatively a newcomer for the Canadian market. So we would like to learn a little bit more, and as you're explaining about the functions of the machines, as well as what it does for us, I'll be doing Chinese translation. Is that okay?
Perfect.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Hello, everyone. My name is Olympia. I'm working for Aya Medical, one of the companies who sell lasers. And this is one of the new laser we sell and we train on it. And Polly has it. I will just be a little bit like helping you to understand, because a lot of people, they are not comfortable to talk about, and we all have a little bit of problems, if I can call that a problem, as we age or having children. And this is not just for women, it's in general for men and women.
係啦，咁呢一個咧頭先都講啦，我哋平時咧可能都係覺得難以啟齒嘅，咁但係咧，譬如一啲漏尿嘅問題啊，又或者咧可能喺我哋呢一個親密嘅時候嗰一個嘅感應嘅問題等等咧，其實大家都會經歷嘅。咁而呢個 Contacure 幸福椅咧，就係可以幫到我哋解決各方面嘅問題啦。
We are just going to introduce the system to explain a little bit how it works and what does to our bladder, our organ. It's more to muscle, actually. It's kind of going to the gym. It helps with, we're going to focus in aesthetics more into the incontinence. Does a lot of other things. Electromagnetic system is used in technology used into medical system as well, for pain, for rehabilitation, for muscle, for therapy, for even for sexual dysfunctions, and as well for rectal dysfunction.
嗱，咁其實咧講嚟講去都係咩咧？都係肌肉鬆弛。咁我唔知道你哋平時有幾密去做 gym 啦。可能有啲朋友咧就會好乖嘅，定時定候會去做 gym。咁有啲朋友咧就可能哎呀唔好搞我啦，我又唔想要做大隻仔，我又懶，我又或者可能關節痛咁。咁但係大家都知道做 gym 就係鍛鍊肌肉啦。咁而我哋而家講緊呢個幸福椅嘅係盆底肌。呢條肌肉咧你係睇唔到嘅，冇可能睇到，你點樣照鏡你都唔會望到。但係盆底肌咧幫你做嘅嘢其實就係 hold 住晒你嗰啲膀胱啊。你嘅前列腺啊，呢啲嘢全部都係靠個盆底肌 hold 住。而當盆底肌呢條肌肉鬆弛嘅時候咧，就會好似你唔做 gym， 拜拜肉就出現啦。你唔做 gym， 你唔去鍛鍊嘅話，咁你可能咧你嘅肚墩都全部鬆弛啦。盆底肌鬆弛就係會導致譬如漏尿嘅問題啦。尿頻嘅問題啦，又或者咧可能喺性生活入邊咧，甚至乎女士更年期之後咧會覺得陰道乾呢啲咧，其實喺成個衰老同埋肌肉鬆弛嘅問題結合出嚟咧，就會形成我哋長大咗之後就會有呢啲咁嘅情況啦。
What it is, I'm just gonna play the video a little bit just to show everybody how it works. It's more explanatory. And again, it's just we are kind of going to the gym. We don't have to do anything. It's very comfortable. You sit down, and the device does everything for you for the muscle. Engage the muscle and lift the bladder.
我哋想播條片俾大家睇，因為部機就搬唔到嚟啦。咁但係咧喺搞緊呢個嘅時候咧，就解釋下其實幸福椅係咩咧？幸福椅其實咧就係呢一個用電同埋磁力咧去到產生功效嘅。嗱，呢個就係幸福椅嘅樣啦，真係就咁一張凳咁樣坐喺度嘅啫。
It's a clear device. It's very easy to use. There is a lot of applications for bigger person, smaller person. You don't have to have only one application. There is a custom, we train of course, but there is a custom settings for everybody. There is a no one setting fits everyone. It's go through the questionnaire, goes through each condition, like how severe, how beginner is the condition. And this is what exactly does, the electromagnetic, it's just waves and contract your muscle.
嗱，呢個就係我哋平時係冇辦法見到嗰個盤底機啦。咁同埋頭先你見到啦，嗱有張凳，跟住下邊咧佢擠咗嗰個咧就係去產生呢一個嘅電磁力嘅嗰個機頭咯，所謂。咁同埋因為我哋個個人嘅形狀、身高長短都唔同噶嘛，咁所以咧呢個凳嘅設計咧就係其實喺下邊係可以去褪翻，即係譬如我個盤骨係咁窄嘅，你係闊啲嘅咁，佢亦都咧係可以去幫你褪翻個位，男仔女仔咁樣咧，去到確保你無論係咩身高肥瘦都可以係得到你應該要有嘅呢一個磁力嘅 therapy 啦。咁同埋咧，其實你會見到就咁一張凳啦，坐喺度係唔使除褲嘅，甚至乎我有一次第一次坐嘅時候咧，係着住牛仔褲都冇問題嘅。咁呢一個係好方便咯，因為以前嗰啲咧一啲嘅儀器咧，咁你往往你就要除褲，咁跟住又要有人喺度幫你去操控，咁係有啲尷尬嘅。但係呢一個你係真係就咁坐喺度，好似你而家大家咁樣坐喺度咧，就已經可以得到呢個療程㗎啦。咁同埋咧呢一個嘅所謂一個療程咧，其實係有幾種唔同嘅 treatment 嘅。咁因為咧，譬如可能你係純粹係需要幫你鍛鍊下肌肉啦，有種嘢叫做 Kegel exercises 啦。咁然後咧，亦都可能係你已經出現咗一啲嘅情況，咁佢係可以針對住你嘅嚴重性啦，你需要邊樣嘢快啲去到處理咧，去到揀唔同嘅 program。So I talked about the machine being adaptable to different body shapes, and also there are different programs for you to choose depending on what your concerns are. So we can maybe go a little bit deeper into that.
Like these are one of the programs, like what I said, there is an intensity, there is a change on frequency, the duration, the level of the pain or the contractions. In combination with all the other functions like position and intensity of the problem.
嗱，咁呢一個咧有磁力震動嘅機咧，其實你坐喺度坐上去嘅時候咧，你會 feel 到好似有啲震咁樣咯。但係又唔係按摩椅咁樣深層推拿嘅，但係你會 feel 到有啲震嘅。咁而嗰啲嘅震動咧，其實係講緊，譬如佢係用一個乜嘢嘅 frequency， 所謂 hertz 嗰個嘅頻率啦，個頻率嘅大細啦，同埋個頻率嘅密度啦，唔同嘅 setting 咧就可以對於我哋嘅盤底肌有唔同嘅刺激。即係好似我哋譬如要做 gym 舉重咁樣啦，你可以選擇咧係拎個輕啲嘅啞鈴。但係就做耐啲，做100下，或者你可以咧如果你係想要鍛鍊大嚿啲嘅肌肉，你可能拎個重啲嘅啞鈴，但係咧做少啲嘅數目，然後隔一陣再 repeat 咁。咁所以咧呢個機都係用緊呢一個嘅磁力嘅震動，但係就係可以調校呢一個嘅 frequency， 佢嘅 intensity 即係有幾大力，同埋有幾密集。咁所以咧跟住你哋所需要嘅情況嚟到做調校嘅。
Each treatment, each week will be custom, will be readjustment, will be all the questions asked to see how was the first, how was the previous treatment, and every time you will increase and you will get more benefit.
嗱，其實咧做一次咧，你已經會 feel 到有分別嘅啦。咁但係視乎每一個人嘅情況唔同啦，每一個人都可以係有一個自己度身訂造嘅療程。每一次做嘅時候咧，其實 Poly Beauty 咧都會幫你哋 mark 低你做咗咩 program 啦，用咗啲咩度數啦。咁然後咧你做完之後，咁跟住你下次再嚟嘅時候就可能會問下你 feel 到 有幾多改善啊？你 feel 到嗰個感覺有啲咩唔同啊？咁然後咧，隨住你嗰個嘅進度，就繼續去幫你 tailor make 你每一次嗰個嘅 setting。咁而每一次坐個凳咧，其實嗰個療程係講緊20分鐘至到30分鐘嘅啫，即係坐大約半個鐘頭。咁你攞本雜誌揭一揭咧，好快就過咗。又或者咧，我哋而家喺度講緊就係其實坐喺度冇嘢做，不如做個 hand mask 咁樣啦。咁但係其實係講緊20至到30分鐘就已經係完成咗一次嘅 session 㗎啦。
And just a little bit of information of how many, like how to diagnose yourself or how to know if you need a chair or when do you need a chair. The chair, what I said, they need, anybody can sit on it, doesn't need to have a problem. When you go to the gym, you don't need to have a problem. You don't wait until you don't have muscles or you have pain to go to the gym. You actually go to the gym to prevent other problems. The same with the chair, we can do the same exactly to prevent. We can exercise the muscle to hold the bladder, to help the bladder to not get loose as we age. And then these are a few, like 4 of the conditions, 4 of the types of the incontinence. And just the next 2 pages will be a little bit to show you or teach you or recognize when you have a little bit of discomfort.
嗱，如果你嘅盆底肌開始鬆弛咧，第一樣你自己會識得 feel 到，咦，有啲嘢唔對路喎，咁就係漏尿嘅問題啦。嗱，漏尿、滲尿去到失禁，呢個係即係唔同程度嘅。咁但係都係講緊咧，嗱，你個膀胱本來好地地 hold 住晒啲水㗎嘛，咁你其實你一日唔去放佢嘅話，其實都應該係幫你 hold 住晒喺入邊㗎嘛。咁但係點解會有由漏至到滲至到失禁嘅情況咧？就係講緊你嗰啲 muscle hold 得唔實啊，即係好似你老鼠仔都冇力嘅，咁你咪拎唔起啲重嘅嘢咯咁。咁而其實亦都有唔同嘅程度。咁我哋咧跟住咧就會同大家去解下，譬如果你係個膀胱滿，即係你好需要去啦。跟住咧，你就覺得不受控地，咦佢喺度已經出緊嚟啦咁，呢個係一種啦。但係或者可能係笑嘅時候、咳嘅時候，或者拎一拎重嘢個動作一轉嘅時候，突然間有少少滲尿嘅話咧，其實呢個已經係你盆底肌嗰個肌肉鬆弛嘅情況嚟㗎啦。Yes, I did.
Treatment indications, rehabilitation, muscle strength, pain. As well for pain like pelvis pain, for menstruation pain, for other like pelvic pain, back pain, it's used as well. And then for the pelvic floor therapy.
係啦，咁頭先can we go back? Yes. 嗱，咁如果你自己本身係有呢一個嘅即係盆底肌鬆弛所引致嘅問題，咁又可以有康復嘅作用啦。如果你係純粹去鍛鍊嘅，譬如你哋女啱啱生完 BB， 咁其實你唔使等佢再年紀再大啲嘅時候，去幫佢整翻好嗰個盆底肌㗎嘛。咁或者對於男士嚟講，你亦都唔需要等夜晚黑要起3次身去屙尿先至去唔係我搞佢，其實亦都可以有一個預防性嘅作用啦。Pain management 我初都唔明有啲咩痛症係會由盆底肌鬆弛引起㗎咁，但係原來咧。我哋有陣時覺得啲小腹痛啊、背脊痛啊，或者有陣時係可能你食完嘢之後有啲唔舒服啊、急尿嘅時候有啲嘢唔舒服咧，原來都可能係你個盆底肌健康嘅問題。咁所以咧亦都可以解決得到相關嘅痛症啦。咁最後就係如果你真係已經係出現咗一啲比較緊要啲嘅問題嘅話咧，咁呢個亦都係一個有治療嘅效果嘅。
Just a little bit in more details, what's the incontinence? It's when the bladder lost the control of sustain the urine.
係啦，咁頭先講到啦，呢一個我哋統稱叫做失禁啦。失禁咧就係因為你嗰個膀胱唔能夠好100%咁樣 hold 住入邊嘅液體。
The stress incontinence, it's happening during, especially for women, because we are more active in the house and work, I will say. But for men as well, when they are in the gym or when they are at work and heavy duty work and they lift and they start having problems, then it's good for them as well. Sneezing, coughing, exercising, all that will be involved into the stress incontinence.
嗱呢種咧叫做壓力性失禁，即係話如果你忽然之間嗰個動作啊，或者你打乞嗤啊等等咧，你會令到你嘅膀胱受壓。咁你咁樣一壓落去嘅時候，咁佢 hold 唔住，咁咪會有咇咇嘅情況出現咯。咁呢個就叫壓力性失禁。
The urge, it's happening when we can retain, like we have to difficulty control the bladder, like we drink a little bit of water and we run to the washroom.
咁啊，另外一種咧就係其實你個膀胱嗰個嘅感應嘅問題啦，就係嗱當然啦，你真係滿咗，你真係要去嘅，咁呢一個就真係急啦。但係亦都有啲情況咧，就係你覺得你自己有尿意，但係你去廁所嘅時候咧，又好似又唔係好，即係同你個感覺唔一樣啊！你覺得自己係哇，我而家要去啦咁，但係點解得咁少嘅咧？又或者你覺得我已經屙清啦，但係仲有啲，仲有啲咁。咁呢一啲咧都係你嗰個嘅膀胱自己本身嗰個肌肉嘅健康，個肌肉嗰個年輕性冇啦，咁所以就會出現啲咁嘅情況。
This is the anatomy of the pelvic floor, male and female as well. Outside looks different, inside we have the same. And then beside it's the normal bladder when you have the muscle very strong and retain the urine. And on the other side, it's when it's getting loose. And then we have the issues what we mentioned before.
好啦，嗱，咁啊呢一個咧，我行埋嚟講一講，但係又盡量唔好遮咗佢。膀胱啦，膀胱有尿喺入邊啦。其實而家成日講緊咧嗰個 hold 住膀胱液體咧，嗰個 muscle 喺呢一度，而你個盆底肌喺呢一度，跟住呢度尿道啦。咁如果而家就係講緊，如果呢個盆底肌你呢一度嘅肌肉同埋你自己本身膀胱嗰個嘅肌肉都係鬆弛咗、老化咗嘅話，咁你咪自然冇辦法可以 hold 到頭先我哋講啦，即係冇辦法 hold 到啦咁。咁呢一個就係嗱有液體入邊，又或者頭先講咧壓力性嘅失禁咧，就係譬如你咁樣喐啊、打乞嗤啊性嘅時候，你嗰個腹部係會俾咗壓力俾你嘅膀胱噶嘛。咁就係你呢一紮嘢全部都唔夠力量嘅話，咁咪會漏尿滲尿咯咁。咁而呢一張圖咧就係男人同埋女人嘅器官分佈啦。咁其實而家講緊咧就係呢一條盆底肌，因為呢一度就其實係 hold 住晒你上邊嗰啲前列腺啊、你個膀胱啊等等呢一啲咧，其實就係靠呢一個嘅 muscle 啦。
And then what happened with the pelvic floor when you do the therapy with the chair? Like on the first picture, you see how the muscle is loose. And then after a few treatments, the muscle will get stronger, will get more support, will get elevated.
嗱，呢一個我哋話鍛鍊盆底肌啊嘛。其實盆底肌咧有啲似咧，我哋去墨西哥旅行喺海灘咪瞓吊床嘅，咁樣攤喺度。如果個吊床吊得好鬆嘅話，咁咪對咯。咁但係當你喺呢一個 Conticure 做咗呢一個 treatment 之後咧，其實就等於將呢一個好似吊床咁樣鬆泡泡嘅盆底肌拉翻實啲，挺翻上去。咁呢個就係俾大家可以睇得到咧，嗰個盆底肌經過鍛鍊之後咧，其實就會高翻啲啦，挺翻啲，變咗個承托力亦都會好啲。
As well, when you have the pelvic floor with problems, it's not just the incontinence problem, it's the sexual dysfunction, it's all the other like muscle pain for women with menopausal, premenopausal pain, dryness, like that help with the circulation, because if everything is normal, if everything back to normal and function properly, then everything will benefit from it.
嗱咁跟住咧就係講緊，其實對於咧喺性生活方面咧，呢個嘅盆底肌嘅鍛鍊同埋成個肌去幫你身體入邊嗰啲 muscle 嘅鍛鍊咧，都可以幫得到嘅。咁當然啦，譬如去到更年期嘅時候，荷爾蒙轉變係會令到你嘅身體嘅分泌啊，又或者你自己本身嗰個嘅意向都會有分別。咁但係 除咗你係講緊你心理上嘅改變之外，其實生理上邊隨住年紀變，你可能會覺得呢一方面咧都同以前唔同嘅。可能後生嘅時候，你會有嗰個嘅感覺，同埋你而家嗰個嘅感覺會有啲唔同。咁亦都係講緊你如果成副計係開始鬆弛嘅話，佢自己已經開始咧係譬如個分泌又加埋唔同啦，所有嘢加埋，你就會覺得啊，其實可能行房並唔係一樣特別你想嘅嘢。咁但係如果夫妻之間係需要有咁樣嘅生活嘅話，而呢一部機亦都可以令到你喺嗰一方面協調啲。咁所以咧好多時尤其是西人對於呢啲嘢比較願意去講啦，就係話其實兩夫婦嘅感情係靠呢一部機咧，亦都係可以得到提升嘅。
And one more thing for the pelvic floor therapy, of course, is not just the one device or we don't have to do anything. You're not going to the gym and you come home and you eat potato chips every day and you maintain the muscle, right? Like we still have to maintain the muscle in combination with other exercise, pelvic exercise, you can maintain for a long time and save the surgery.
係啊，咁呢一個咧係可以幫到你咧，就係等於即係做運動一樣啦。咁當然唔係話你坐咗呢部機之後，咁跟住你就繼續係完全咩都唔理咁樣。咁但係咧呢一部機咧，你聽過 Kegel exercise 啦，即係收緊放鬆，收緊放鬆。咁成日話其實我哋加拿大成日坐咁耐車，如果你咧係好好善用坐車嘅時間去鍛鍊嘅話，咁就可以幫得到你嗰個嘅盆底肌嘅健康啦。咁，但係有幾多人係會記得咧？同埋，如果你真係有做過啲 Kegel exercise，有冇發覺咧？通常你數到10零咧，跟住你就分咗心㗎啦。咁但係你做10零下係冇咩特別嘅效果。但係呢部機咧，嗱，我攞翻個正確嘅數目先。So I know that sitting on the Conticure Zimmer is equivalent to doing a huge number of Kegel exercises. I didn't want to just name a number. So
29,000
in how long?
in the session of the treatment. 20 minutes.
29,000，即係話咧，你咁樣坐喺度20至30分鐘，等於你做咗29,000下。29下有陣時咧，你都未必可以 keep 住做到29,000下。呢個就係佢用咗呢一個嘅電池嘅震動力咧，去幫你咯。即係去幫到你做呢一個嘅運動。Yeah, and the next one.
The benefits and for incontinence, like improving the pelvic muscle activation, benefit of the bladder support, reduce the leakage, and improve the quality of life.
係啦，咁頭先都講咗啦，呢一個嘅幸福椅可以幫到你嘅，包括就係你盆底肌嗰個嘅刺激力啦，咁可以幫到你膀胱自己本身嗰一個嘅功能啦，可以減低咗頭先講嘅各種唔同程度失禁嘅情況，咁同埋咧亦都可以令到你自己本身尤其是係兩夫妻嘅生活方面咧，係可以更加協調嘅。
Advantage, no invasive. There is no need to do anything, like there is no opening, there is no, you don't have to take the clothes off, like nobody touch, nobody, there is no contamination or anything or disease transmission. Adjustable for everybody, like what I said, if it's a short person, if it's a tall person, if it's a little bigger, a little smaller, we have adjustment. Quick treatment sessions from 20 minutes to an hour, depends what I said at the how severe is the conditions and at what level. And quick treatment, rehabilitation and wellness applications can be helped with other conditions.
係啊，嗱咁以前一啲如果要鍛鍊盆底肌嘅，咁都係一啲叫做侵入性嘅儀器啦。咁但係而家呢一個咧係完全唔需要換衫。就咁坐喺度咧就已經得啦。咁同埋咧，即係首先大家着住衫坐喺度咧，已經係衞生好多啦。咁第二就係部機咧，亦都係好容易去清潔等等。咁所以大家亦都唔需要去擔心，即係話晒呢啲都係啲自己有啲私密嘅地方嚟㗎嘛，咁樣。咁同埋時間快啦，20至到30分鐘。咁如果你咧本身係有即係一啲嘅情況嘅話咧，建議咧就會係連續每一個星期做一次，咁由4次至到更加多。咁視乎你想要解決咩情況啦，同埋你係咪想 keep 住可以鍛鍊得到啦。咁喺無論係 一個預防嘅情況，又或者係一個保健嘅情況同埋治療嘅情況咧，呢個幸福椅都可以幫到你嘅。
It's safe for majority, like some few conditions of the contraindication will be just if the person has inside some devices, some electronic devices or reacting with the electromagnetic system, and of course pregnancy, pacemaker and epilepsy.
係啊，咁啊，大家都關心安全嘅。一陣間咧，亦都有時間俾大家問問題嘅。咁但係你有啲咩人係唔可以用呢一個嘅幸福椅呢？就係包括如果你係身體植入咗任何電子儀器啦，包括起搏器啦，又或者咧，譬如女性避孕 IUD 啦，跟住亦都係即係任何你係植入咗嘅同電子功能或者會受磁力影響㗎啦。同埋，如果你而家呢一刻係有 BB 嘅，都唔用得嘅，因為 BB 係唔震得嘅。咁同埋咧，另外就係如果你係有惡性腫瘤啦，同埋係有陽癇症嘅話咧，都唔建議去使用嘅。咁大家一陣間，如果你仲有啲個別嘅情況我咁樣得唔得啊？咁一陣間咧可以再發問。
And conclusion, it's the ContiCure Zimmer system. It's versatile. It's a variety of combination. There is other hand pieces and the therapy platform to support physiotherapy, pelvic floor rehabilitation, and anesthetics treatments for incontinence.
嗱，其實呢部機咧，本來咧係喺診所入邊用嘅，咁因為咧失禁係一個醫學上嘅問題，咁只不過咧就係而家好多時咧，我哋都可以將一啲醫學嘅儀器咧，就係搬咗去一啲比較民用啦，我哋所謂嘅情況。咁而呢一個嘅核心幸福椅咧，就係可以幫到喺任何盆底肌、膀胱，總之你呢度下邊呢一抽嘢入邊有啲情況出現係需要復康嘅話，需要治療嘅話咧，都可以幫得到。咁啊，最後呢一條嘅短片咧，可以俾大家睇到一個即係用家嘅情況啦。Play the video. Yes.
Here it's just the music. There is no speech. Explain how we go through the life with problems, stress, work, kids, and then you can just have the treatment by relaxing, reading a book, having other treatments combination because you can have a scalp treatment, you can have other combinations with the treatment.
係啊，咁呢一個嘅見證咧，就係即係佢喺度講緊話當佢有生完 BB 之後，咁女性生理上面當然係有好多嘅轉變啦。咁跟住同先生方面嗰個相處嘅轉變啦。跟住自己年紀開始大嘅時候開始感覺到嘅各種嘅壓力。咁但係咧就呢一個嘅盆底肌呢個幸福椅就可以幫佢解決咗呢個咁樣嘅情況。嗱，我哋即將咧就會開始咧俾大家有發問嘅時間，咁可以諗一諗你想問啲乜嘢啦。咁同埋咧，其實亦都有一啲嘅顧客咧，之前咧就已經體驗過呢一個核心幸福椅。我哋應該係有2條片啦，可以俾大家睇一睇一個嘅用後感啊。係啊，呢啲係 Poly 㗎嚇，真實個案。
今日我哋揾到我哋一位客戶咧 ，Alice 啦，咁佢坐過我哋嘅核心幸福椅，咁就有佢嘅分享。
hold住先，我哋要將SPA 音樂同埋條片嘅音樂分翻開先，如果咪大家鬥大聲，係啊。OK， 咁我哋就可以去翻見證嘅呢條片啦。
今日我哋揾到我哋一位客戶咧 ，Alice 啦，咁佢坐過我哋嘅核心幸福椅，咁就有佢嘅分享。咁我想問聲 Alice 咧，嗱，你嚟坐我哋核心幸福椅嘅情況咧，你嗰時覺得自己有咩問題咧？
我嘅問題係嚴重嘅尿滲同埋尿頻。
哦 ，OK， 即係話晚上去洗手間好密，同埋做一啲某啲動作啊、乞嗤啊或者跳會滲小便。
冇錯。
即係屬於嚴重嘅。
嚴重㗎，夜晚黑要去2、3次洗手間。
哦，咁坐咗我哋核心幸福椅之後，你覺得對你嘅改善去到邊度咧？
個改善係我唔相信咁好嘅。
哦。
第一，我由初第一次 少咗去夜晚瞓覺嘅時候去洗手間，到而家其實我可以一覺瞓天光。
哇，咁好！咁做動作啊，或者打乞嗤嘅時候有冇改善呢？
哦，有，我直情唔相信就係我唔需要再翹埋隻腳。
哦，咁好，OK。
咁你哋可以想象有幾好啦。
係啊，因為其實 Alice 咧都係屬於年青嘅，咁我知道有啲年長嘅客戶佢問題仲嚴重嘅，只不過係大家咧都冇將呢樣嘢分享出去啦。咁同埋我覺得面臨即係每一位都會接觸年長，咁有啲問題都好正常，咁所以有咁好嘅儀器係值得分享出去。咁你會唔會推介俾你身邊嘅朋友啊嗰啲咧？
我一定會，其實我試完第一次，我已經有同我身邊嘅朋友 share 咗呢個信息，咁亦都提議佢哋自己打電話嚟試下。
哎呀，多謝。
我係好 high 呢個。
係啊，同埋我知 Alice 咧，其實佢而家差唔多已經係治療好咗㗎啦，但係佢都會即係按時或者一個疏啲嘅時間咧，做一個簡單嘅即係 keep 住去聆聽下咁樣，係咪？
因為你哋嘅同事都解釋得好清楚，就係話完成一個療程之後，我應該都 keep 住咗一個 maintenance，我會一定會跟住繼續做。
好多謝晒你嗱，因為6次完成後咧，其實我哋都係好悉隨尊便，如果得閒覺得 OK 晒，就算佢唔做，個效果都唔會退步嘅。但係因為年紀嘅問題會增長啦，咁如果譬如耐少少當嚟探下我哋坐下，咁亦都係非常好嘅，因為做一次等於你做咗1萬次嘅盤底肌運動。
一定會，多謝你聽，Polly。
多謝晒 Alice，多謝你嘅分享。
好，咁呢一個咧就第一個分享啦，咁啊跟住咧仲有第二個，咁等咧我哋就開始可以俾機會咧大家問問題啦。咁我哋睇埋呢一個男士嘅見證先。
開心咧就揾到Andrew 嚟同我哋分享咧，佢今日已經係坐我哋嘅幸福椅最後一次療程啦。你由第一次到而家咧坐完呢個幸福椅咧，你覺得改善嘅程度去到邊咧？
好多謝即係有咁嘅機會。最主要咧就係我坐咗第3次，已經 feel 到嗰個功能㗎啦。
係。
我平時未坐之前咧，夜晚要起身去洗手間睇都要4、5次嘅。
OK。
咁由第3次開始已經係減少咗啦。
哦，到目前為止係去到幾多次咧？
講到坐到第5次。
而家咧？
而家大約2次到啦。
每晚即係2次到啦，係嘛？咁日頭有冇改善到咧？
咁我平時譬如我出街去飲茶咧，都飲幾杯茶，都要去洗手間。而家就冇咗呢個需要。
OK，咁其實喺生活上都幫咗好多，係咪啊？
幫咗好多。
咁嗱，咁又當即係傾偈啦。因為我知道你都係一個好出色嘅運動員啦，係參加3鐵嘅鐵人賽啦。咁即係對於身體嘅保健你都好了解嘅。咁但係咪盤底肌課你嚟講都係一個比較難去鍛鍊嘅肌肉咧？
你講得好啱。我玩3鐵咧，即係游水、踩單車、跑步咧，即係呢啲肌肉可以鍛鍊嘅，就係盤底肌係好難去鍛鍊到嘅。
咁Andrew 咧，望落去咁年輕咧，但係咧其實真實歲數咧，咁Andrew你幾多歲
？75歲，76嚟緊啦。
嗱，如果以 Andrew 而家嘅狀態望落去非常非常好，即係證明佢做嘅運動係都幫到佢嘅身心啦。咁但係即係盤底肌都係咁難控制嘅肌肉啦。咁而家有呢個咁好嘅儀器啦，即係呢個德國嘅核收幸福椅啦。如果當時光倒流到，譬如而家你40歲啊、50零歲，你知道會有咁好，但係你又未有即係尿頻啊呢啲問題嘅時候，但係你知道有呢個咁好嘅儀器，你都會唔會嘗試去預先作個保養咧？
一定冇嘅，因為我哋做運動都係想 keep 住我哋身體，預防我哋身體有毛病啊嘛。所以呢個機就係一早可以幫你預防你嘅盤底肌，等佢即係唔好瞓覺。等個盤底肌可以即係成日都係清醒，所以先至可以控制到我哋去
肌肉嘅問題。
肌肉嘅問題咯。
好好啊，咁即係話。呢個真係個幸福椅嚟嘅，即係帶俾我哋幸福嘅。同埋我哋都好多謝 Andrew 咧，咁忙都幫我哋同我哋嘅客人分享啦嚇，因為真實分享對我哋好重要嘅。好多謝晒你。
好，拜拜。
其實 Polly 可以做埋我份工啦，都即係識得訪問人咁犀利啦。好啦，咁到你哋有機會問問題嘅時候啦，唔好怕醜。咁因為咧唔係成日可以有 Conte Career 嘅代表喺度答我哋嘢嘅，因為我有坐過，但係我唔係個專家，佢係從事咗呢一個行業15年嘅專家。咁有冇 朋友想率先？冇嘢問啊，完全。係，請講啊。So she had osteoporosis and she actually had broke her hips before. Can she still use the Conticure?
As long as there is no metal to have a contraindication to use the electromagnetic system, yes, you can use it.
如果你係即係做個 hip 嘅手術咧，冇鑲鐵片嘅話，有鑲。She has metal implant in her hip.
The metal implant normally it's not reacting with the with vibration. Only if there are screws, and then will move the pelvic, all the where is applied.
視乎你嗰一個嘅植入嘅鐵片係上螺絲同埋係可以調校，定係本身嗰個surgery 嘅時候咧就本身植入。喺你嘅情況之下咧，你應該要問你嘅家庭醫生，你呢一個嘅 procedure 咧會唔會受到電磁力 electromagnetic 電磁力嘅影響？一陣稍後可以叫同事寫低俾你去問你嘅家庭醫生咯，因為唔知道你 exactly 係做咗邊個 procedure 㗎嘛。
了解多少少 technical 嘅，即係你講到嗰個 electromagnetic frequency 係咪個 wave 啊，定係或者幾多個咩 per hertz 啊嗰啲，即係可唔可以多少少嘅 more technical explanation about the electromagnetic wave or treatment?
Yeah, she's like me. She's the nerd. She wants to know like the frequency, the intensity, and how it affects us.
Doesn't affect like in a bad way. The frequency is calculated between, like, depends what you wanted to do. If you want a for pain, has to be the intensity low with more frequency. If you wanted to do for incontinence, you have to do high intensity and more time in between. Like it's a vibration, a period of pause, a vibration, pause. And now you can control how deep and how much is the intensity of the vibration.
使咪翻譯俾你？嗱，其實就好似之前我講咧，話我哋做 gym， 如果你係想要大嚿 muscle， 就重啲嘅啞鈴，跟住咧做少啲嘅次數，中間要休息。咁呢一個用 electromagnetic 嘅情況就係你要大啲嘅 frequency。但係中間就會有多啲嘅 break。咁但係如果你咧係純想做保健咧，就好似做 gym 嘅時候，輕啲嘅啞鈴做多幾下。咁而喺幸福椅嘅情況之下咧，就係低啲嘅 frequency， 但係就做得耐啲。
Can I further ask the question a little bit?
Yes.
Is it something similar to the electromagnetic resonance, or is different?
Sorry, what was the?
Electromagnetic resonance.
Yes, it's the same. Electromagnetic, it's electromagnetic. That's why I said it's used for pain, it's used for other problems, muscle therapy. Like it's not just for incontinence. The way it's put together in the chair and the way it's helping with the pelvis and stimulate or make it to have the kegels, that is what it makes to help the incontinence. But at the same time, you can sit it and put it on the back if you have a back pain, and then we'll do exactly the same. You can build muscle, but again, to build a big muscle has to be the frequency and has to be, if you want a little bit more details, I can give you like for pain will be between 1 and 30 hertz. 30 to 50 will be the preventing. 50 to 70 will be in the middle. And 70 to 100 will be for the incontinence. Because I think this is what you're looking for, more details into the settings.
嗱，如果大家咧唔係好明白，其實呢位女士問緊一樣嘢咧，因為我尋日都去咗一個活動，啱啱就坐喺 Iron Body Fit 嗰位嘅創辦人老闆啦隔離，咁都一樣咧，就係講緊呢個 EMS 啦，就係講緊點樣用呢一個嘅電磁振動力咧，去幫我哋做運動。咁 咁喺嗰個 case 咧就係、你去唔係做 gym，你去嗰度咧搏晒嗰啲嘢之後咧，25分鐘就等於你做咗唔知做咗一個禮拜3次，每次1個鐘頭嘅運動量，因為佢就係用呢一個方法嚟刺激你啲 muscle，你基本上攤喺度，咁佢就幫你刺激咗啲 muscle 啦，你就唔使自己喐啦咁。咁呢個就係 EMS 喺幫你去到鍛鍊你身體，你見到嗰啲 muscle 嘅情況啦。咁而幸福椅咧嗰個道理一樣，都係用呢一個電磁力嘅震動。咁但係咧喺個設計方面咧，就可以去到我哋需要去鍛鍊嗰個位。咁因為你去 Iron Body Fit 嗰啲，你唔會貼到入去噶嘛。咁所以咧嗰個嘅原理都係用電磁力去震動。而呢樣嘢咧，其實喺物理治療方面咧已經用咗好多年啦，一路係develop緊嘅。仲有冇其他朋友有其他問題咧？原來我哋今日咧都有2位朋友咧係坐過，亦都想同我哋講下嘅。So 我哋請佢上嚟之前咧，即係冇嘢問啊嘛。OK。
有問題，一個問題就係有啲女士子宮下垂嗰啲有好幫助嘅，另外一個咧就係幫唔到肌肉鬆弛嘅，咁咧就呢兩方面都幫助。
好，子宮下垂英文係咩？我問下先。唔係，我想用一個真係啱嘅名啊嘛。子宮下垂英文。
你剛才問嘅係子宮下垂嘅英文説法，佢一般翻譯成 uterine prolapse。如果你有任何需要
Okay, so the gentleman's question was, does the Contacure help with uterine prolapse? Second question is, if the anal muscle, the sphincter, has, well, again, muscle weakness, does that help? So 2 questions.
Yes, helps with both. Now the position on the chair will be different and the intensity and the settings will be different, but helps with both conditions.
兩個嘅情況都可以幫得到，咁但係兩個嘅情況就係有唔同嘅 setting，咁亦都係講緊嗰個嘢個位置咧，都會有唔同嘅擺法。係。
我有兩個問題，第一個問題咧就係、如果有啲朋友嚟有 cancer 就 recover 緊或者 recover 咗嚟做呢個機會對佢哋身體有咩影響啦？第二個問題就係、如果我哋經常做嘅，會唔會 overstimulate？ 即係會唔會有反效果咧？或者去到應該let's say做到30次、40次、50次就應該即係 break 咁樣去對，即係等佢自己繼續maintain rather than
So 2 questions again. The first one was, we talked about how people indicated with melanin-C it's not suitable for Contacure, but if it's someone who already recovered from cancer, can they do the treatments? The second question, well, I remember, I'm just putting the stress on you instead, is could you overstimulate? If you keep on doing it and again, is that going to help? Or you should do it for like 6 times or 8 times or 20 times and then give it a rest? So let's start with the cancer recovery question first.
As long as the oncologist says it's everything okay, yes, you're good to go. Now, the cancer is more when you have uterus cancers and all that to not spread or to not disturb. But if it's the cancer is like a skin cancer or is another part of the body, it's all okay as long as the doctor, like we're not going through more, like we go on base of what the doctor diagnose and recommend. The second question was, can you overstimulate? Yes. Sometimes people, what happen is, going back to the first question when she was asking more about the intensity, it's kind of a song. Sometimes it does and sometimes it does like it's just like you have to recognize for each condition what you want and how much. People wanted to go to the high intensity right away. It's going to the gym and you're not ready to lift 100 kilos, but you lift it. What's gonna happen? You're gonna break a muscle, you're gonna tear a muscle, you're gonna have pain after, and that is what happens.
咁所以咧有陣時我哋成日都話勁啲啦，有啲咩都同 Poly 講話教到最大啦咁，但係咧係其實要乖乖地聽話，因為佢哋其實喺 Poly 嗰度咧都已經全部受過佢哋訓練嘅，咁亦都知道係點樣調教啦。你第一次坐嘅度數同埋你可能去到第6次坐都會有唔同，咁就唔好即係總之有咁大得咁大，有咁高得咁高咁樣咯。嗱，時間關係，如果大家咧仲有其他問題嘅話咧，Olympia 咧未走嘅，咁一陣間大家亦都可以捉住。Thank you so much Olympia，thank
Thank you
you。
everybody. Thank you.
好啦，咁跟住咧，在場咧其實仲有2位男士咧，就見到人哋做完見證之後咧話：我都想講啊咁，講得快啲喎，因為我哋仲要講美容儀啊。Ivan 先啦，話 Ivan，隻咪係。Ivan 話：我都想話俾大家聽個情況係點。
呢啲真人嚟嘅，真人嚟。大家好，大家好。其實，多謝。咁啊，多謝 Poly 先啦。其實咧，少少尷尬，不過唔緊要啦。女士未必會有呢個問題，但係咧可以同你哋嘅另一半分享下。其實我就最大問題就係話咧，好多時朝頭早一早起身咧，男士都係好多人會有咁嘅情形，好急尿嘅，好急。但係咧想去屙嗰時咧，慘啊！好想屙，但係屙極都好似屙唔出個感覺，就好似直情頂到咧有時會直情覺得痛，即係痛地咁啊死啦！點樣算咧？就唯有係咁夾硬嚟。咁我覺得唔知係咩問題，初頭都咁啊，跟住同阿 Poly 又講過，咁啊另外都其他朋友都講過下，咁啊佢話不如試下坐呢個幸福椅啦。咁我坐咗其實好得意嘅，第一次咧我覺得冇乜嘢就係咁。跟住坐多2次咧，覺得好即係好特別，即係好似個舒緩咗感覺。就去到第3個禮拜度啦，就開始覺得就冇咗，唔可以話冇急個感覺，仍然會有，但係咧會係鬆咗好多，同埋咧就話唔會痛個感覺，直冇咗啦，就係仍然會有少少都係急下，但係咧就會自然好多。即係當我去咗做咗3、4次之後咧，我就覺得係即係有幫助，係有幫助。即係我覺得最主要呢樣嘢同大家分享一下，咁你可以同你另一半了解下。
唔係咁朝頭早起身急係好正常嘅，咁你估咗成晚，咁但係咧我都明白你講緊嗰一個嘅狀況。咁如果大家都有啲咁嘅情況，或者可以問下李先生，可能有陣時你喺床度聽到，佢唔係去廁所嘅咩？但係點解又
咁耐啊？
係咧，
因為真係好耐嘅，你估唔到就係坐喺度咧。我唔好意思，我坐喺度屙尿嘅，唔好意思，係好嘅，係好嘅，乾淨嘅。咁但係好辛苦嘅，即係男士你知啦，又要撳佢落去，又要慢慢谷住嚟屙，係幾個辛苦。但係而家係我覺得係舒緩咗好多。
好多謝你。我都話㗎啦，今日我哋講嗰啲咧，唔係平時喺電台入邊會講嘅。跌咗太陽眼鏡啊，靚女。係啊，佢即刻知道我講緊佢。跟住靚仔，
好，有請哥仔啊，有請哥仔。
哥仔
已經急不及待咧，坐完第1次已經坐埋第2次㗎啦，哥仔已經啊。
喂 ，hello， 大家好，係啊，呢啲咧平時喺早晨樂會派聽唔到㗎。
咪後聽到，咪後我哋乜都講嘅，係。
咁係啦，咁其實我去 Poly 度都坐咗2次嘅核心幸福椅啦。咁點解會去咧？咁我都同 Poly 講話好巧㗎，因為其實嗱又係一啲全部自己人唔介意講啦。係。我去嘅最主要原因咧係漏尿嘅問題。咁啊發覺咧，即係之前有段時間發覺，咦點解好似去完洗手間咧，首先就好似去極都去唔晒咁樣啦。咁然後就算好啦，我去晒啦咁有時真係會有漏嘅問題，咁都可以幾尷尬嘅，即係嗰啲問題，亦都唔舒服。咁開始就研究下，咁點解會咁咧？咁跟住就開始睇到啲數據就話原來咧即係譬如男士個盆底肌咧20零歲之後開始咧，原來每1年咧佢嗰個嘅 strength 咧都會降低。咁不過咧即係嗰個速度慢嘅，即係可能2% 啊3%。咁所以你30零啊40歲嘅時候唔覺嘅。但係佢話，當你儲到去50歲或者以上嘅時候咧，計下咧，可能你只係得翻3-4成嘅嗰個 strength，咁變咗你控制唔到，咪會出現呢個問題咯。咁我研究跟住就話又要做啲咩 exercise，好似頭先講嗰啲啊，哇搞好耐咧先做嗰10零廿下嗰啲咁啦。咁跟住就阿 Poly 話：我有呢個幸福椅，就係坐1次咧可以即係超過1萬次呢個動作，哇簡直就係福音咁樣啦。咁即刻去試，咁做咗2次。即係可以話咧， 我而家係完全冇咗呢個問題。呢個係好明顯嘅分別，即係你就係冇，即係去完咁就去完㗎啦，就唔會去完之後死咗點咧嗰個問題。咁呢個係我覺得首先好明顯。咁第二就係其實呢一樣嘢，坦白講咧，亦都同男士嗰個嘅性功能咧係有關係，因為其實都係嗰組肌肉去控制，你控制唔到嘅滲尿嘅時候，亦都代表可能你控制唔到嗰個血液，係咪？咁你好多時需要嗰個肌肉去控制嗰樣嘢。咁所以咧，呢啲全部都係環環緊扣啦。咁我覺得有啲數字都話嘅，男士嘅性功能障礙咧，好多時咧有4至5成咧，其實唔係真係一個心理或者其他生理問題，而係呢一組肌肉退化而造
即係唔係一定要食粒藥仔？
唔係一定要食粒藥仔嘅。咁咧其實當然啦，即係個別情形都唔同，要問醫生。但係咧，其實原來有好多 case 咧係靠個鍛鍊呢個盆底肌咧係可以幫助到嘅。
多謝你嘅分享啦。
Polly 真係好好嘅，咁啊我前幾年開音樂會嘅時候，佢又幫我又急救咗一輪啦咁啊即係幫我就做咗個黃金射頻
係啊，我就估你係啦。
做咗黃金射頻咁啊，即係覺得咧，因為我自己啲皮膚唔好啊，咁咧就以前咧亦都又好懶打理啊，咁所以有時咧都會暗啞嗰啲咁樣，咁啊即係
唔係你乾咯，你即係佢咧，因為你知大家朝頭早起身嘅樣係點㗎啦，佢嘅問題咧，即係乾咯，即係你見到佢塊面咧，好似成日都有浸。又唔係灰咯，但係即係睇落去白白咁樣咧，硬硬咁樣啦。但係今日係明顯地係柔軟有光澤咯。
即係真係幫到嘅，所以即係我頭先聽到你話好似會有啲
講美容儀啊嘛，好咁講美容儀，美容儀等我嚟咯。
梗係交俾你啦。
好嘅，雖然我都知你都係啱聽嘅。唔該晒，多謝你。
Thank you。
嗱，其實我哋如果講話係Polly，你有嘢講？
哦，哥仔原來佢2次之後咁好效果，佢都係今日我先知咋，佢未同我講。哦 ，thank you，thank you。
即係講美容儀啦，美容儀同你以前傳統嗰啲搽啲 cream 磨個沙蒸下塊面嗰啲 facial 咧係完全兩樣嘢嘅。嗱，我哋咧年紀開始大嘅時候咧，講緊主要係3樣問題，即係3樣嘢令到你顯老。第一就係色斑嘅問題。即係塊面一笪二笪啊，啲顏色咧唔得白裏透紅啦，黃面婆啦，色嘅問題。第二個問題係鬆弛嘅問題，呢個咧亦都係你係好難去抵抗嘅，因為地心吸力。你總之，除非你一路係躺平，如果唔係，你一定會地心吸力，同埋再加上今日即係主題啦，肌肉鬆弛啦，咁啊鬆弛係第二個，第三個咧。就係皮膚質地嘅問題啦，因為我哋咧其實年紀開始大嘅時候咧，隨住荷爾蒙分泌啦，同埋自己本身細胞老化咧，就係會容易缺水咯。即係因為紋咧，唔係紋係幾樣嘢㗎嘛，紋係你成日重複一啲動作，好似我咁成日咧到而家都係冇辦法控制自己條眉嘅。咁你成日戚，咁你咪會有紋咯；你成日笑，咁你咪會有紋咯；你成日皺眉頭，咁你咪有紋咯。咁第一就係捉得多啦，你係咁一張紙，本來你摺一次佢冇乜嘢，但係你咧一路係咁摺，終於嗰條痕都會係好深噶嘛。呢個係紋。咁但係鬆弛亦都係講緊你自己嗰個 muscle，其實都有一部機啦，係用都係 EMS 啦，即係都係用呢一個震功啦，去幫你去運動你自己嘅肌肉嘅。咁但係咧其實更加緊要嘅咧就係膠原蛋白嘅流失啦。膠原蛋白我哋而家成日都聽㗎啦，跟住我哋中國人要飲骨湯啊，咁可以補得到啊咁。但係其實成件事點解會鬆弛咧？亦都係講緊你幻想舊款床褥，舊款床褥有彈弓，然後有棉。I'm sorry， I'm talking about elastin and collagen。咁有傳統彈弓同埋有棉，咁你瞓上去咪有承托力咯咁。咁而當我哋開始老嘅時候，又係20幾歲開始啦。咁你嗰啲 elastin 就係呢啲彈弓，同埋你個棉，即係你啲 collagen，又係會一路咁樣流失。咁你初20零歲嘅時候，其實已經流緊㗎啦，但係你唔係好覺。但係你去到40、50歲嘅時候咧，你就會突然間覺得，咦，哇，點解好似，哇！又或者咧，你如果攞個電話玩呢個遊戲咧，好殘酷㗎。開個 video，你咁樣烏低身，你開 selfie。咁樣烏低身望自己個樣，試下，你真係試下，你試過啦，你咁笑法， 你咁你就睇到你自己10年後嗰個樣，就係啲面肉全部向下再對都係。然後你試下咁樣我高頭啦，哇！即刻成個樣後生起碼5年，呢個就係個肌肉鬆弛咯。咁我今日想同大家講嘅3部機，分別咧就係可以去針對住斑顏色嘅問題。第二就係呢一個嘅皮膚質地嘅問題，因為隨住你啲皮膚細胞老化等等咧，你嘅質地試咗啦，咁你嗰個嘅質地啦。而第三就係鬆弛嘅問題。我哋第一個睇咗就係呢個鬆弛嘅問題，睇咗呢個 APG 先，黃金呢個 APG radio frequency 啊。我成日都話佢係基本上改變咗我個皮膚個質地，因為係做完一次之後咧，直情係哇突然間潤晒嘅咁樣樣。嗱呢一啲咧都係醫美嘅儀器啦，就係用 radio frequency 去到唔同嘅 program 可以針對你咧皮膚唔同深層嘅地方，然後咧去幫你去刺激翻，去生翻個膠原蛋白。佢唔係打啲膠原蛋白落去你度。反而咧就係令到你嘅皮膚就自己生翻嗰啲流失緊嘅膠原蛋白。咁其實咧有2種唔同嘅科技咧，係可以大家結合一齊咧。除咗等你自己喺入邊生翻膠原蛋白，於是你咪 lifting 咯。同埋因為佢係可以用唔同嘅 program 嚟控制你深入幾多，所以頭先你睇嗰條片咧，做到嚟呢啲咁樣嘅地方咧都得。你以前嗰啲機唔可以做到咁近眼㗎嘛，咁但係咧呢一個嘅 APG 可以啦。但係如果你除咗鬆弛嘅問題，仲有譬如毛孔粗大啦，你你知地心吸力係會令到你毛孔更大嘅，所以點解你好似年紀越大嘅時候，塊面好似越粗糙咧？係因為啲毛孔都向下搲咗。咁你就可以考慮咧，就係有一個叫 Potenza。佢係集合咗 microneedling 微針同埋呢個 radio frequency， 同一個時間咧係可以改變咗皮膚嘅質地、毛孔細嘅紋，好深嘅紋你要做 laser 嘅，但係好細嘅紋咧，佢都可以用微針，唔見血嘅，你都唔係會覺得哇針拮緊啊咁樣樣。但係呢個咧就係如果你有鬆弛嘅問題同埋皮膚嘅質地嘅話咧，咁呢一個 Potenza 就係有微針。APG 就係純粹用 radio frequency， 係絕對做完之後咧，你大約係你啱啱做完嘅時候都有啲 lifting 嘅，但係你做完大約2個禮拜咧，你自己譬如 selfie 影翻張相自己對咧，係真係睇得到效果。而第三個就係色斑呢樣嘢啦。咁呢一個咧，我就到我做見證啦，因為可能有聽我節目或者喺social media 有 follow 我嘅朋友知道我幾年之前咪爛手嘅。你哋有冇聽過爛手？我嗰陣時其實係有自我免疫嘅問題，咁跟住咧就要去食一個好毒嘅藥，嗰個藥咧成500幾蚊1個月㗎，要一路食一路要驗肝㗎，即係佢係好毒嘅一個藥。但係因為我嗰陣時真係爛到咧，係成隻手冇一忽好皮啦，咁同埋一發起上嚟嘅時候，個額頭又爛，啲髮線、頭髮都變咗攣啊，因為我係成個身嗰啲皮膚都因為呢個自我免疫嘅問題係壞咗，咁啊食嗰個藥，跟住就開始起斑，係好得人驚嘅。嗱，我有幾張相，呢幾張相係連哥仔姊妹我都冇 show 過嘅，但係因為我想俾你哋見到嗰個有幾差，同埋做咗療程之後有幾好。咁但係我想希望大家咧唔好影低 ，OK？ 即係我俾你哋睇，係想俾你哋知道我曾經係點樣樣，然後係點樣樣可以解決嘅。咁啊，第一張就係呢張，係啦。你見唔見到？你見唔見到？嗱，即係呢個光啦，你見唔見到？呢啲係食啊，其實我而家背脊都有一個散花，就係由食呢個藥開始，突然間就咁樣咯，仲係黑㗎，係黑到咧。我阿媽話你揾啲 concealer 遮，佢話我遮唔到。咁我阿媽話：嘿，等我嚟啦，你唔識化妝嘅。佢整完，你真係遮唔到喎，你咩事？咁我就係食呢個藥，因為個藥影響肝啊，即係個肝個功能有問題嘅時候就會 有呢啲咯。咁但係其實嗰啲所謂好啦，唔好睇我覺得啦。跟住嗰啲咁樣嘅咩老人班啊，妊娠唔係melasma，即係生 BB，總之荷爾蒙轉變咧導致嘅嗰啲斑咧都係其實係你個身體色素消化唔到。咁好啦，咁跟住咧就走去揾 Polly 啦。我 Polly 咁樣有冇得救？咁啊 Polly 就幫我做 IPL，好醜樣嘅呢啲相，因為全部都係啱啱整完㗎嘛。嗱呢一張咧又係啲光嘅問題啦，但係呢個係 Polly 幫我做完 IPL 之後，做完 IPL 咧頭嗰2日係好深色嘅，因為佢好似幫你嗰啲嘅色素咧盡量掹咗浮咗上去個面，然後佢會自己甩。但係做咗1次之後已經係好咗好多。呢啲咧係你睇到頭先嗰張黑真係黑色嘅，係啡黑色嘅。咁樣做完，然之後已經係咁啦。咁跟住仲有第3張係咩嚟㗎？我唔記得咗。我第3張係復發嗰張都係同第1張差唔多，唔使氣。咁跟住你而家睇下呢塊面。咁即係如果有色斑嘅問題嘅話咧，我可以話俾你聽 ，Polly 嗰陣時我塊面爛咁樣，佢都可以幫我整到。如果你譬如有少少 spot 啊，一笪二笪咧，我嗰笪嘢係有咁大笪㗎，佢都可以整到。咁所以你哋都可以問下 Polly 可唔可以幫得到你嘅情況咯，因為大家都會有斑，但係嗰個食藥嘅斑真係好毒咯。好啦，我要講嘅就大約係咁啦。嗱，都俾個機會睇下有冇人有啲咩想問我，我咩專家都唔係，但係有冇啲嘢想問？如果冇嘅話咧，係又係你，我唔識得答嘅 Gil Hurt 嘅喎。呢個梗係唔係問我啦，呢個梗係問 Polly 啦。
係問得非常好嘅。咁嗱，因為時間關係啦，我哋會準備啲茶點俾你啦。咁之後咧，其實每一 group 咧都會有我哋啲同事咧專業咁去輕輕再解答翻你哋頭先未問到嘅問題嘅，或者同埋今日會預備咗啲好真係好好嘅療程，甚至乎係可以送出1年免費任坐幸福椅嘅。甚至乎有啲我哋價值300幾蚊以上嘅 facial 咧，一送都送講嘅係20幾錢出去，同埋一個好開心咧就係坐咗咁耐啦，大家都變咗熟悉咗，可以團購式嘅。譬如話我買咗呢個value 啦，咁加埋另外 value 咧係可以當係一個人咁攞到個多啲嘅次數，唔係你哋可以 share 咯。咁好嘛？咁如果你嗰個問題咧，等陣我哋會有負責嘅同事咧喺你哋嗰邊咧，譬如你去 detail 問一啲儀器啊其他嘢，再深入啲都可以嘅。咁或者再約時間嚟我哋公司可以免費皮膚測試再解答都得。
係因為個個 case 都唔同㗎。
好，咁就而家可以
開飯。
係啦，有啲茶啲。
係啊，因為如果係頭先拎咗入嚟，我驚凍啊。
咁我哋不如一早咁去，然後好嘛？咁我叫同事安排你哋。
好，咁喺度多謝晒大家出席。